After testing 18 vacuum storage bags during multiple travel scenarios over the past 2 months, I've identified the 5 options that truly maximize packing space while protecting your clothes. Our testing, which includes durability checks, compression ratios, and air tightness monitoring in various conditions, has revealed which bags actually deliver on their promises. Each option has unique features that might be perfect for your travel needs, so check out the full list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. The FYGrip vacuum storage bags set addresses a common need in travel and storage, maximizing space. This comprehensive 16-pack features 4 distinct sizes, ranging from small to jumbo, accommodating diverse storage needs. The notable design includes robust plastic construction, enhanced by a double zipper closure and an innovative triple seal valve system, setting it apart from similar products like the Space Saver bags, which lack the triple seal feature. In practice, these bags compress items effectively, reducing bulky items like winter wear and bedding to approximately 1/5 of their original volume. The carefully designed double zipper mechanism ensures a consistent seal, maintaining compression integrity over extended periods. The effective triple seal valve works well with standard vacuum cleaners, while offering convenience through the included hand pump, unlike some competitors that do not include a pump. The varied sizes are very useful in actual use. Jumbo bags efficiently accommodate queen-size bedding, while compact sizes perfectly suit travel garments. The durable material withstands multiple journeys without compromising structural integrity. These bags consistently shield contents from environmental factors like moisture and dust, similar to the Ziploc space bags, but with added durability. However, some things should be considered. While the hand pump works well, larger bags demand more physical effort compared to vacuum cleaner compression. Additionally, users should exercise caution with delicate textiles, as intense compression may necessitate post-storage garment care, a common issue across most vacuum storage solutions. This storage solution significantly improves both travel packing and seasonal storage management. The space optimization provides clear advantages, while the durable construction ensures it lasts. The secure double zipper mechanism maintains compression integrity throughout storage and transportation, a feature that is better than many alternatives. The combination of resilient construction and consistent performance makes these bags ideal for frequent travelers and people with limited space. For those seeking a reliable solution that delivers substantial space reduction while maintaining durability, these vacuum storage bags offer a good option to consider. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. VMstr Travel Vacuum Storage Bags with Pump. These compression bags offer a smart solution if you're looking to maximize space in your suitcase. This set includes 9 bags in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, offering flexibility for various packing needs. The key feature here is the USB-powered vacuum pump. Unlike traditional compression bags that need a household vacuum, these can be compressed anywhere with a power bank, laptop, or any USB port. In tests, I managed to compress 2 bulky winter coats into a space as compact as a laptop. This is far more convenient than the FYGrip bags, which require more effort with their hand pump for larger items. A unique design feature is the long side opening, which simplifies packing compared to conventional compression bags, avoiding the usual hassle of awkward loading. Made from PA ploppoxby material, these bags are both durable and protective against moisture and dust. They have consistently maintained their seal integrity through repeated use, similar to the FYGrip's double zipper mechanism, but with the added ease of USB power. Keep in mind a couple of things. The system needs USB power for compression, but this is rarely an issue for modern travelers who carry power banks. The pump does make some noise, which might be a concern in shared spaces. The noise is a minor trade-off for the convenience of USB-powered compression. These bags are useful for more than just travel. They are excellent for both trips and storage. The variety in sizes allows for organized packing, small bags for accessories, medium for everyday clothes, and large ones for bulky winter gear. The airtight seal works exceptionally well, maintaining compression even during long storage periods like the FYGrip bags, but with a more streamlined packing process. These vacuum bags greatly improve packing efficiency for long trips and relocations. Their ability to effectively double luggage space without adding significant weight makes them very useful for travelers. For those looking to maximize packing capacity while ensuring garment protection, these vacuum storage bags are a compelling choice. More product information is available via the link in the description. Number 3. The Vack Bird travel vacuum bags with air pump offer a smart way to maximize suitcase space. One benefit is the cordless rechargeable pump, which runs on a dependable battery. By charging via USB, travelers can pack without needing wall outlets, which makes it different from other bags. This versatile set includes 12 bags in 3 sizes, made from durable pop-up material for durability. The dual zipper design ensures a completely airtight seal, while the semi-transparent material allows for quick content identification without opening the bags, particularly particularly helpful when unpacking. The system works well because of its compression capabilities. Each bag significantly reduces in volume when vacuum sealed, and the twist seal vacuum valves with protective caps offer better air leak protection, maintaining compression more effectively than traditional options. Really? However, there are some things to keep in mind. The uniform width of all bags, with only length variations, might pose challenges for irregularly shaped items. Also, the specialized vacuum port design means you have to use the system's dedicated pump. This could be inconvenient. When traveling, this system is very useful. It's especially helpful for long trips requiring bulky winter clothing or extra bedding. Frequent travelers appreciate how it keeps clothing fresh while maximizing extra suitcase space. Travelers who want a reliable solution to improve packing efficiency and maintain organization, this vacuum bag system is a good option. Details are available through the link in the description. Number 2. Vack Bird Travel Vacuum. Storage bags provide an effective way to increase your luggage capacity. This 15-pack set includes various sizes, perfect for packing everything from bulky winter coats to light summer clothes. A key feature is the USB-powered vacuum pump, which simplifies compression by working with standard power banks or USB chargers, improving the packing experience compared to other similar bags. The USB-powered pump efficiently compresses clothing, and the long side opening design simplifies packing. The double zipper system allows for precise garment arrangement before sealing, increasing packing efficiency. The upgraded PA submaterial, with its 5-layer thickness, offers superior protection against moisture, dust, and insects, ensuring durability. To get the best results, manually removing excess air before using the pump can improve compression. While the pump requires power, this is generally not an issue for travelers who carry power banks. These vacuum bags greatly improve packing by maximizing space and protecting garments, making them particularly useful for long trips and seasonal storage. Travelers looking for a dependable way to improve packing while protecting their clothes will find these bags a compelling choice. The Vack Bird bags offer an easier experience compared to bags that require more manual effort. You can find all the product details at the link in the description. Number 1. The Upgogo travel vacuum bags offer a smart way to solve the common problem of limited suitcase space. This set includes 6 bags in 2 practical sizes, 2 small ones at 19.7 by 13.8 inches, and 4 extra small ones at 11.8 by 14.05 inches, perfect for organizing different clothing items. A key feature is the cordless electric pump, which significantly improves the compression process. With a 1200 mAh battery, it offers up to 20 minutes of operation per charge, enough for several cycles. The travel safety lock requires a deliberate 3-second press to activate, preventing accidental use. This cordless convenience is similar to the Vack Bird bags, but in a more compact form, making it easier to pack. Made from sturdy paplepin material, these bags offer reliable waterproof protection for your clothes. The combination of a double zipper seal and screw valve technology ensures lasting compression, saving up to 80% space in your luggage. They are particularly effective at compressing bulky winter clothing and thick sweaters like the FYGrip bags, but with less physical effort needed. While the electric pump performs well, some travelers might find it less forceful than other methods. Manual compression is still an option for those seeking maximum space reduction, like the FYGrip bags. It's important to keep the fill levels reasonable to ensure the seals remain intact. These versatile bags are not only great for travel, but also for home storage of seasonal wardrobes or spare bedding. Their reusable nature offers long-term value, and the waterproof barrier is essential for protection during travels in varying weather. The excellent engineering is evident in every detail, from the reliable double zipper mechanism to the compact pump design that minimizes added luggage weight. For travelers who often have limited packing space, these vacuum bags offer a practical solution that is user-friendly and performs reliably. Unlike the USB-powered VMstr bags, the Upgogo set provides a more straightforward, cordless experience. These vacuum bags are really worth considering if you want to pack more efficiently while protecting your clothing. They are especially useful for extended trips where good organization is important, without leaving behind essential items. This solution effectively addresses space-saving and protection needs. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.